if you have 2 or more MT4 or MT5 account with a broker and you want to use all account with one computer or one VPS, then you need to know how to set up multiple trading terminals. Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. In this video, I will teach you how to install multiple MT4 and MT5 terminals with the same broker. It is very simple. You just need to follow 4 easy steps. Step number 1. First, you need to download your MT5 or MT4 or MT5 platform from your broker. So I already download my platform from my broker, whatever broker you use, no problem. All broker MT4 or MT5 platform are same. Step number 2. You need to install your platform. Okay, first I'm going to install my MT4 platform. After install, you need to finish these things. Then you can see we get our platform. So now we already get our one platform. So now we need more MT4 platform with the same broker. Okay, now we go to the step number 3. Okay, close these things. If you need 3 or 4 MT4 platform, then you need to create new folder. So if you need 3 MT4 platform, then you need to create 3 new folder. Okay, so now I am going to create my first folder. I name it 1. Then I am going to create my second folder. I name it 2. You can name these things anything, no problem. I just use 1, 2, 3. So I am creating my third new folder. I just name it 3. So now the last step, and this is very easy. Now you need to go step number 4. You need to go to there. There you need to click the right button of your mouse, and there you can see one option, open file location. Click here. When you click these things, it will show you a new folder. You just need to copy all the file. Okay, copy all the things and go open your folder number 1 and paste everything. Then close these things. Open folder 2, paste all the file here. Then close these things. Open folder number 3. There you also paste all the file here. Okay, so now I'm going to open all the platform. So open folder number 1. There you can see one thing named terminal. I just double click here. You can see one terminal open. This is the FXTM broker. So I already get one platform. So now I'm going to open another one. So go to folder number 2. Just click terminal. You can see it's open another platform. You can see there now I already get 2 platform here. One is these things, another one these things. So if I logged in with my one account with this platform and another account with this platform, everything will run together. Okay, so now I am also opening folder number 3 and my third platform. Now you can see I already get 3 FXTM platform. Whatever broker you use, you can open unlimited terminal like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just name the folder and follow all the steps. By this way, you can do. So for MT4 and MT5, this is totally same, but I just show you one step. Say for example, for MT5 also, you just need to install your MT5 platform. After finish the installation of MT5 platform, click finish. This is the same process for MT4 and MT5, but I'm just showing you one step, you will understand. So there you can see we already install our MT5 platform. So I'm going to close these things. There you can see this is the MT5 platform. There, click the right button of your mouse, go to open file location and copy all the things and come back and then create new folder like MT5 1. Yeah, and there you just need to paste all the file. Then if you click the terminal, you will, sorry, and not this one. If you click terminal there, you can see we get a new platform. Okay, so this is the things. By this way, you can get multiple trading terminal with the same broker. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. Say for example, by this way, you can use MT4 for any broker. Say for example, now you can say I install FXTM broker MT4, but if you want, I can also use this MT4 for IC Market or XNES or Pepperstone, whatever broker I can do. I just show you also these things. This is the bonus tips. Okay, so go to file, login, go to login to your account, click here. Sorry, go to file, go to open an account, and there you can see it's just show me the server of the FXTM broker. But if I want to use XNES broker with this platform, I just need to go there. There you can see add new broker file, and there I need to write EX and ESS, XNES, and I need to click search. If I click search, you can see I get already server, XNES server also. See that? Also, by this way, if I want that I want to use IC Market broker, I can also do these things. I just go to add new broker. There, if I write ICMARKETS, IC Markets, if I search these things, you can see I already get the IC Market server also. So by this way, you can use any broker account with the same terminal also. Okay, so I hope you understand everything. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by comment box, or you can ask me by WhatsApp. I will reply your all the question. Okay, if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. Okay, this is for today. Bye, have a good day.